Hello, everyone. I am back, and hopefully, this won't be as terrible as my first one. I'm still nervous, but a little less. And I'm hoping the more I do these videos, the less nervous I'll be, so I won't ramble like I did last time. But thank you again for watching. And I'm back this time because I wanted to share the gifts I got for being a host before I became a consultant. I recently received my package of gifts. It's not an unboxing, I already opened it, as you can see. But I just wanted to show you some of the cool things because I don't really want to get into a lot of detail about it because I'm not as fluent with it because I'm new. So the clarity with the hosting gifts is still something I'm working on. But with my party, I was able to have a $220 shopping spree. Plus, I got 50% off one product and some other free products um, and some other discounted products. But pretty much everything in here was from my $220 shopping spree. But I got this because these table napkins I heard were very nice to have. They're pretty cool. And you can use them for everything. Like I said, I may not do a video with using these because they're, just cloths that you can use basically anywhere. In fact, um, if you weren't at the party, well, no, I don't even think she mentioned these, but she may have. Anyway, so I don't ramble. You can use these instead of paper towels. I know Jen, who I did a party through. She um, says that her and her family, I'm sorry, use these for paper towels, so they don't even buy paper towels anymore. So one day, those things right there will be gone out of my house too, replaced with these. And plus, these are good gifts to give your hostesses. Also, I received some dog deodorizer because I have two fur babies, and yeah, they smell. So I'm excited to use that. I got this little cute thing. It smells so good. It was a discounted on special this month. I thought it was something for the pets, but now I'm not so sure. So I'm gonna find out more. But isn't it cute? And it smells so good. It's like I should hang it up in in the room just so it can uh, freshen the room up. But also, this is one of the things that I really wanted to get, this mattress cleaner, because I had heard about how products that have prebiotics in it and enzymes can get rid of like bed mites, those bugs that eat our skin. That's why we have to vacuum our beds regularly. If you use this, you don't have to do that vacuuming. So I'm excited about this. I also got the 3 set of the cutting boards. These things are very nice, and you can use these for vegetables and meats. A lot of cutting boards they don't recommend them you using them for both, but these are nice, and you can use them for both. And in fact, on the back, it tells you a little bit about um, their durability and stuff. So yeah, these are nice, and I got the 3 sizes they have: small, medium, and large. I believe this is one of my free or discounted gifts. I can't remember this little thing. It is the microfiber bamboo mesh bag set. I believe they are for makeup. I'm sorry, I should have looked to see exactly what these were for before, but they're little round disc. I'm pretty sure they're probably for removing or makeup or something. Anyway, I'm gonna carry on. I'm staying too long on that product. I did order some of the laundry sheet that you can tear. If you look on the website on under the laundry detergents, you'll see these. But I got these because these are good to give for hostess gifts too. Send a couple out in a little bag for people to try. This is another free gift. It is the mini. Let me see what it is. Right now it's a new host welcome gift, the Skin Care Travel Trio. So it comes with this nice little bags, and inside of the bag I have the little mini skincare samples, the the serum, the powder, and the oil. That's so cool and so cute. Those are so cute. But anyway, let's see what else we got. Oh, this is the sprayer for my bed bugs. Not bed bugs. No, I don't have those. I promise. Bed mites. But I also got some more EnviroCloths because they had a sale on those. And this is something else that came for free with the little makeup. It's a lip hydration balm thing. And then the last few things I have is deodorant, because it's hard for me to find deodorant that actually works good. So I'm excited about using this and see how it works for me. And I also got some makeup removal cloths just to see. I do have the body and face and body cloths, which are wonderful, but those are specifically for makeup. So looking forward to using those. And then I got two Optic Scarves. I got one for me. I'm sorry, I can't figure out where my camera is, and one for Mikey, because I hear these are must-haves if you wear glasses, or even to carry around to clean your phone or your iPad or tablet. But anyway, that is what I got with my on my shopping spree, and I just wanted to share. And thank you again so much for watching. And the next video will be a demonstration of some of the products, like cleaning my oven or windows or floors or something like that. But anyway, till next time, thank you for watching.